Want to know how to mute someone on TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to mute someone on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the inbox icon right beside the profile. Now open any chat you wish to mute. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the mute notification option at the top. Now tap on the search bar to mute the notification. So this is how you can mute someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.